Need live Forex, crypto, stock, and gold prices in your C++ application without spending hours building API integrations? This C++ SDK gives developers a fast and simple way to retrieve real-time and historical market data with just a few lines of code. Whether you're building trading bots, analytics platforms, or learning financial programming, you'll be up and running with FX, crypto, stocks, and commodities data in minutes. Let's get started. Our first step is to install all the dependencies required to run it. Then, clone the official SDK repository from GitHub, jump straight into the directory, and prepare your project. Fetching live Forex, crypto, or CFD prices is as simple as calling a single function and specifying the symbols you want. We're requesting live rates for Eurodollar. The SDK returns the data as a JSON object. The response looks something like this. Each quote contains the symbol, along with the bid, ask, and mid prices. From here, you can feed the data into dashboards, trading algorithms, or analytics tools. Need historical data? That's just as straightforward. We'll request historical price information to a specified date range for Eurodollar and UK 100 index. The response shows base currency with close, high, low, and open prices. It's perfect for backtesting strategies or analyzing market behavior over time. For time series data, we'll request time series data from start to end date for Eurodollar, and the response will show the data coming out with the dates, along with high, low, open, and close prices, which is exactly what you'd need for charting or technical analysis. You can also retrieve a list of all supported live cryptocurrencies. The response returns available cryptocurrency symbols and their corresponding names. This is useful when you want to discover which FX, CFDs, and streaming currency lists are available before requesting live rates. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the examples directory. We've included ready-to-run examples organized by use case. You'll find folders like live data for real-time rates, historical data for historical and time series data, currency conversion for exchange rate conversions, data exports for exporting data, and market information for market-related endpoints. If you're unsure where to start, just open the folder that matches your use case, run the example, and build from there. To use this C++ SDK, you'll need an API key. Head over to TraderMade.com. Grab your 7-day trial now. If this video helps you, make sure you click the subscribe button because we will be bringing new tutorials every week.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.